Today, the world is going for tremendously towards autonomous vehicles, and we are seeing this attraction. And we have built a solenoid valve which critically cleans the sensors with air or water. And till now, we have supplied over 5,000 samples to Germany, and it has been getting trialed out at the vehicle. We also see a trend coming towards hydrogen. Yes, the battery has been there, EV, but then there are a lot of issues with respect to the battery, manufacturing, and sustainability. And this is where the hydrogen comes out to be a very sustainable resource, where it can be produced, stored, and transported very easily, and it gives a green energy again. And there, where again we are able to see a solenoid valve developments are taking place in this field. So these are some of the mega trends which we are currently focusing, and we think is going to impact in a bigger way. Also, when it comes to the new emission norms, we have been supplying to Euro 6 norms in Europe, and now maybe the Euro 7. And now we are here to serve the Indian market, which is currently with BS6. Looking at 2023, we are very, very positive. We are going to almost double our turnover by the next year. We just made a growth of almost 80%. End of this March, we'll be making close to 80% growth, and the next year plan is to have almost 100% growth over the previous year. So we are very, very, you can say, positive and excited about the next year, and a lot of new product development are under progress, which will be able to create a greater value for the industry at all. So let me take you through some of the new product development which we have carried out this year. This is a hydrocarbon doser. You can see the fuel shut-off valve, the metering valve, and the air valve, everything inside one. And this goes to Cummins, and then from Cummins it goes to Volvo. So it directly it sits into the, their emission systems for DPF regeneration. This is also a module which is for US version of the hydrocarbon dosing module, similar type, but for the US. This is our new CTIS, centralized tire inflation system, which is basically a system which can inflate the tire pressure as well as it can deflate the tire pressure. And this is very critical when you are dealing with the trucks which are, let's say, into minings or off-highway applications, or maybe a defense. You need to have a trucks which can have a possibility to travel into various terrains like snow, sand, muddy environments, off-highway roads, right? And in all such scenarios, this particular system manages the tire pressure. So let's say if you get into a area which is snowy or area which has a lot of sand, you cannot have the same tire pressure. So you need to have more traction, and such in those scenarios, just by, so you can see the dashboard, this sort of a dashboard on the driver's cabin. You can just click OK sand zone, and it will reduce the pressure and make your vehicle able to drive in this, even in the desert area, right? Or if you are, let's say, in the cross-country roads, you can increase the pressure a bit compared to the sand. And when you are on highway, you can have a normal pressure. It also does the puncture compensation and make sure the vehicle is having the highest uptime. It also changes the terrain as per the speed. So in a particular terrain, you are supposed to drive, let's say, 20 to 30 kilometers or 30 to 40 kilometers. But as soon as you cross that limit, it can change the terrain automatically. So it has many features. It can change the tire pressure as per the loading on the vehicle, full load, half load, empty. It can give you a tire-wise pressure monitoring and a tire-wise indication where which tire is having a puncture. So one can do a quick diagnostic and corrective actions. So there are a lot of features in this product. We are the first and only one in the world to come out with this product, which has the fill time to the tire and drain time to the tire less than 15 minutes, for 284 liters of a tire size. This is the valve which are used in the SCR application. It's a proportional valve where you can vary the flow rates as per the duty cycle or the current supplied to this. And this is produced now in mass and used for the SCR application. And this is a very innovative product. It is an ultra low sound soundlight valve. Even if this valve clicks, it doesn't make a sound. But it is very important when it comes to autonomous vehicles, because autonomous vehicles are electrical. At the same time, they need to have a very high reliability and ultra low sound levels. So this has been supplied, over 5,000 valves has been supplied for the autonomous vehicles, and they are currently getting tested.